Hello there, are you ready for a fun math challenge today? In this video, we are going to solve a puzzle that will leave your kitchen looking stylish and beautiful. Sarah wants to tile her kitchen floor, but she needs our help to figure out how many tiles she needs. So let us dive in and calculate the perfect solution. Imagine Sarah's kitchen floor, a spacious square measuring 3 meters by 3 meters. It's a black canvas waiting to be transformed. But before we start tiling, we need to determine the number of tiles required to cover every inch of this floor. These square tiles are each 30 cm by 30 cm. They come in a variety of colors and patterns, giving Sarah's kitchen floor a touch of personality and charm. Now let's break down the calculations step by step. First, we need to convert the kitchen floor dimensions from meters to centimeters. Remember, 1 meter equals to 100 centimeters. So if we convert 3 meters and these 3 meters is equivalent to 3 times 100, which is 300 centimeter. So the dimensions of the kitchen floor will be 300 centimeter by 300 centimeter. The next step is to calculate the area of the kitchen floor. Area of kitchen floor will be 300 times 300. This gives us 90,000 centimeters squared. We can also find the area of each tile. The dimensions of the tile is 30 centimeter by 30 centimeter. The area will be 30 times 30. It gives us 900 centimeter squared. After calculating the area of the kitchen floor, which is 90,000 centimeters squared, and the area of each tile, which is 900 centimeters squared, we can determine the number of tiles needed by dividing the total area of the kitchen floor by the area of each tile. So the number of tiles required is equal to the area of the kitchen floor, 90,000, divided by the area of each tile. This will give us 100 tiles. Sarah needs exactly 100 tiles to cover the entire kitchen floor. With this number, she can create a stylish and practical space where she can cook. And there you have it. Sarah's kitchen floor puzzle has been solved. I hope you enjoyed this math-filled adventure and are now inspired to take on your own tiling projects. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting practical challenges and solutions. Until next time, happy tiling.